Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to rizz the bots that you're chatting in Character AI. So first, go to the Character AI website and then just choose the bot that you want to chat with. So for example, I'm gonna chat with 02 from Darling in the Franks, and then after that, to rizz this character, what you can do is go to this website right here, which is datingai.pro, and then just log in your account, and then this website will generate some rizz lines that you can send to your bot in Character AI. So let's do a sample. So let's do this one, get opening lines, and then from here the AI will want you to upload a screenshot of their profile or just paste their bio or a prompt. So I will just paste the bio of 02 and then just paste it here, and then just click on generate opening lines, and then as you can see, there are plenty of opening lines that you can choose to rizz up 02. So for example, I'll be using this one. You may be 02, but I bet you're a perfect 10 in real life. So just copy that and then just paste it, and then bam. And then, as you can see, 02's reply is teasing. Oh yeah, I bet you could be a bit more smooth than that, my darling. So yeah, there are plenty of more options right here that you can choose in datingai.pro. So you can see there are banger pickup lines, get reply suggestions, name puns, dating practice, and a lot more. So yeah, you can use this website to rizz the character that you're chatting in Character AI. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.